deals with Bored Ape Yacht Club and their community, guys. A Bored Ape Yacht Club owner by the name of T-Baller6 got his JPEG liquidated right from under his nose. He got paid, but only for $1,800. Yikes. Of course, this came from an OpenSea bug, so I did some research and I'll break down this exploit so you guys can make sure your NFTs are safe. The perpetrator goes by JPEG DGen Love, and he was able to snag 2 Bored Ape Yacht Clubs with this method. The people that got famoosed actually played a part in this. They had listed the apes for sales months prior, but never canceled the sale and transferred the NFT to another wallet. If you do this and then transfer it back to the original wallet, the sale will still be active. So don't be cheap, guys, and cancel the sales before you move your NFT. The sales will still be able to be done via contract interaction, even though it doesn't show up on the OpenSea UI. Guys, if you want to check your NFT status, use orders.rarible.com and make sure you don't have active or inactive orders up. And of course, guys, take other precautions like getting a hardware wallet to keep your precious NFT safe. This is a massive fat L, and I feel for those that were affected, and hopefully OpenSea can do something to compensate for the loss. If this was helpful, please like the video so other people can be aware of these issues. Shout out Looks Rare, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.